how to uninstall an application or software in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now, uninstalling an application is simple, but many people don't know the additional step which is need to be done while uninstalling an application, and that is a very important step. Now, the basic procedure of uninstalling an application or software is you can simply open Finder option and then select application in that. Now, all the application which are installed in your Mac will be visible on this page. Now, in order to uninstall an application, you can just simply select that app, you can click on it and you can drag it to bin directly, and then it will ask you to enter the password and click on OK, and then that particular application will be uninstalled. Now, this is the simple procedure, but the main step is that simply go in search option and search for this particular software. Now, I'm going to uninstall Blackmagic, so I'm going to enter Blackmagic over here. So you can see I'm getting Blackmagic disk speed test application over here, but the additional step is you have to click on this plus icon once you search the application, and after that in first tab you have to select system files, and then in the other one you have to select are included. Now you can see all the related files to this particular application will be shown, which was not shown earlier. So you have to do this important step additionally so that you can also uninstall the system files which are present with this particular software. Now select all these files. You can directly press Command plus A to select all, click on it and drag it, but make sure you drag all the selected files. So press Command plus A, click and drag it to bin, enter the password, click on OK, and now you have uninstalled the software or an application with all the related files. Do the same thing with other application as well. In order to uninstall the application completely, you just have to search the application. For example, if I want to uninstall any other app, let's say for example if I want to uninstall Microsoft, so you can see I am getting Microsoft option over here. Click on plus, select system files in first tab, select are included option in second, and now you can see all the related files related to this Microsoft software is visible. Select all and drag it to bin. So guys, these are the simple steps and important steps to uninstall an application or software correctly in your Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.